Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understand.
So guys, wow, look at the house in the middle of the
Where?
shit.
Look at the house.
Oh my god, guys, look at the house, guys. Her mansion. She's alone in there. Wow, how many
huge.
How many hectares is that?
Maybe 20.
Look at this guy. It likes you're in Colorado again. Green. Nice. Wow. This is outside of Gainesville, na, baby?
Yeah. Towards Williston, Florida.
Oh. It's another town again, baby? So guys, we're going to Williston. It's nice here, oh. So green. Wow. Nice. So wow. Baby, look. It's like you're in Hooray, Colorado. You still have gas, baby?
Yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. We're going home now, but we gonna pass by in Williston. We're going to see some park there. So see you later, guys. My face is you know. See you later in Williston. I'll show you around there. Guys, parang naliligaw ata kami.
What is this road?
Naliligaw ata kami, guys.
I got a free massage for my back.
Are you sure you're in the right way?
We're in the boondocks. Why this is
Guys,
so...
they have the here, guys. Oh, may mga sila, guys.
Holy
May
God.
mga ba tawag dito? Yung parang pag-aari nila, guys.
This is the right way. There's no other way.
Lupa nila, guys. So, maybe be careful. Maybe this is
Not.
out of way.
No?
Maybe this is personal road. Personal road. Like private property.
Private property.
Hala, baby, look at their mansion there. Oh.
A view.
Tingnan mo naman, guys. Tingnan mo, nasa gitna sila na. Look at them, baby. Oh. They don't have a neighbor, but they're good. See? They have 3 trucks. I think this is...
Look at that land they got.
That's why. You don't need to get scared.
Ask Joy. If this is a dirt road, ask her. Is this a dirt road to get to Cedar Woods? She went here. You can ask her.
I'm just recording.
Yeah, never.
So guys, we're here at last. I was so scared that we went to a wrong place.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Where you can park?
Garden entrance.
Where you gonna park here?
In a quarter mile, the destination is on your right. Cedar Lakes Woods and Gardens.
This one?
Where you gonna park? Wait, they have mirror there. Oh.
To see if any people coming. That's a good, those are convex mirror.
You don't need to walk here. You need to drive only.
Wow. Huh? Wow.
You are there, straight ahead.
Yeah, we haven't got there yet. After this turn, look, we got a hill.
This one, Gardens entrance. What is in here, baby?
I don't know.
There's no people here, baby.
Yeah, there were people walking around there.
So where you going?
To the garden entrance.
Where's the entrance?
You see the parking?
See the car there. Where you gonna pay over there?
Yeah. You got cash, right?
Yeah.
In case they don't take the card because don't know.
Parking.
Okay. Here we go. Parking.
Wow. At last we're here, guys. I don't know. Is this really a garden? There's no garden here.
The destination is on your right. Cedar Lakes Woods and Gardens.
Yeah, I'm
do.
packing something.
Yeah. So guys. Oh, wow. How do you have store there, baby?
I don't know.
Wow. For Future Conservation Education Center. Oh. Look at my husband. He's so adventurous. I don't know where you find this place. How you find this place?
Your friend, Joy.
Joy, is your fault. They're having a picture taking here. Oh. Wow. Like a quinceañera. They have bathroom here. Guys, this is the park now. This is a greenhouse that she said, kids garden. It's nice. Yeah. Kids garden. Hala. Bibi, have a trail, oh. We go here first, Bibi. The trail. Yeah. Go this way.
Recommend path.
Yeah. Recommended trail. Slippery. Yeah. Hala. What is that there?
Oh, yeah.
That's,
You saw that?
yeah, it's nice. I think this is, I saw this with the Joy.
Yeah, Joy came
Yeah.
here. Because I told her the word spreads out where, you know.
Yeah, it's nice, guys. Yeah, I saw them here. They went here. Yeah, look at that one. But you cannot swimming, right?
No.
It's not allowed, baby, no? Yeah, guys. Nice. Camellia. Wow. Nice, guys. Oh. Wow. There's a lot of ano there. Walking trails. Hi, baby. Hi, you don't bring your... You don't bring... Yeah, guys. It's nice. Yeah, I saw them last time here. Oh my God, it's so good. Ah, my legs. My legs is shaking.
What is that down there?
Gazebo.
It's a pig, right?
Huh?
A pig?
Pig. Where?
Look. Oh, it's a dog. I thought it was a where your imagination takes you, right?
It's nice, no? Allah, it's big, oh? Yeah.
She says.
So, we're still walking around this place.
Where, Mata? Where? In the polo?
Where?
Are we in the polo?
Wow, guys, nice. Yeah. Wow. It's not easy to make a path here, no? Because
It's been here for many years, maybe.
already?
It took a long time to build.
Wow. That's true. Nice, guys. Oh,
Look at the view.
I know. It's so nice. They have a gazebo on the top.
Yeah. It's a recommended path. So,
Nice.
want a picture here, man?
Yeah. Nice, guys. What is that, baby? Man-made, baby?
Yeah.
I'd have turtles.
You see it?
Yeah. They have turtles.
Wait,
Maybe it looks like it's...
wait. Us too.
Huh?
Us too.
Mayagüez. We passed by there before. Maybe, right?
That's what I was going to think. It was like
Yeah.
different.
Maybe.
Look at this one.
Mayagüez, we passed by there before, right? Did we?
No,
We didn't pass
no.
by.
We went around the outside. We never went inside. But you know already Mayagüez. So.
Yeah.
Morovis, you already know. Nice little walk.
They're both,
Before we take that trip going back home.
they're both Puerto Rican or the guy only?
Both of them.
Both of them Puerto Rican?
Yeah.
It's nice here, oh. It's nice to Wow. It's getting nicer.
Thank you, Joy.
Bibi, I think this is toward with the gazebo, guys. It's nice here. So quiet. Yeah. Maple garden. It's nice. Pababa naman to siya. Pababa. Pababa ng pababa. Pababa ng pababa. Pababa ng pababa. Oh, wow. It's nice here. This is nice here, baby.
Like it?
Yeah. It's nice. Nice flower, oh. What flower is this, really? It's nice.
Nice like that.
Little fountain. Toast the coin. Nice. It's nice you can hear the water, no, baby, no? This is going down towards the gazebo. Fish here. Oh my god, guys. It's a big koi fish. Yeah. Maybe look, they have a koi fish here. Big koi fish. Nice.
Go over there. Let me see if I can get a photo.
Nice. Yeah, wait lang.
Smile.
Wait, I hear the ring. Like a church.
That
Huh?
over here on top, they have the.
They have the what do you call that? Chin.
Hey, smile. You're in camera. Where's the camera?
Where?
Where is it? I don't see no camera.
I think this is the owner of the owner, right? But he said that it's not open in the public. He said it's not open yet.
I lost my paper. You heard?
Huh?
I lost the map.
Where did you put it?
I don't know where. I lost.
Nice, very, very quiet. No, you're having a coffee here in the morning. We're here in the bottom already. Ganda ng ano nila. Dito na kami sa baba. Yeah. Ito na yung pinakababa. Ito na yung pinakababa nila. Yeah. Ay, baby, that's the house from here, right? Baby, that's the house from here. That one.
Oh yeah. This is a nice spot too, babe. You want a picture here?
Nice, no?
Yeah, it's a nice.
Guys, so this is the bottom. This is the bottom of the park. It's nice.
That's the map.
Yeah. So this is the whole thing. And we already explore everything. Cedar Lakes pala to, baby, no?
Where we are.
Cedar Wood Lakes. We're here now.
You're here.
Yeah. So you go back here and then you go out. You go this way. Yeah. Oh my God. Huh? Where? Water lily. Yeah. It's nice. I know. Goodbye. Cedar Lakes. It's nice here. Wow. They have gazebo here. It's nice. Wow, look at the leaves of water lily. Oh, it's different.
Sure?
Yeah, that's a water lily.
No, it's a drum.
Ah, they have no. They have, yeah. They have the pot.
A pot inside the water.
Wow.
I haven't seen the turtle.
One there, a small one.
I didn't see it.
Nice guys here, huh?
Look, a shark.
The shark.
It can be alligators, that's it.
What is here, baby? Water? Ay, the falls, no? This is the waterfalls, baby, no?
Oh, dry. Oh, there's another one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the same one.
That's the one. Now we went.
It's going back.
Yeah. Guys, this is the gazebo. 100-year-old laurel oak. This one. Wow. Wow, nice, no? How old is? How old?
From 480 to 560 years old.
Wow. How I wish people grow. How I wish people stay like that. Guys, this is the end of our trip. Our adventure. Cedarwood Botanical Garden. Here in Williston, Florida. Williston, right there?
Williston.
Yeah. So it's like 1 mile? 1 mile walking, baby?
Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah. So, the end of this vlog. Have a nice weekend. Bye.